Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to enter the hidden diagnostics menu on newer Ford vehicles. Now this video will apply to any Ford equipped with Ford Sync 3. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To enter the menu, your radio has to be turned on and set to either FM or AM frequencies. And what you will do next, you will press and hold the SIG button on the steering wheel and the SIG button on the dashboard at the same time for maybe 5 seconds, and that will do it. So I will do that right now. And you will see the screen changing. Now first you will get this annoying speaker test. And once that is done, you will get to the menu, and in this menu you can change a bunch of settings, run a bunch of other tests and things like that. So just for example, in this APIM you can check the vehicle part number, software versions, or you can even run like screen tests, like pixel test. If you choose like red, then the screen will turn red, so that means it passed the test, right? Black, same stuff. Okay, or I don't know, display test pattern. You can see like bunch of different interesting things. So yeah, best idea, just access the menu on your vehicle and go through the options and play with it a bit and see if there is something that you want to change, or yeah, I don't know. Also interesting thing, if you go under testing settings and the themes, you can change the themes on the vehicle, so your screen should look completely different, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.